Hey guys, welcome to TubeQuiz AI. This is software that is going to help you create quiz videos in just a matter of seconds. It's a really simple to use software. If you see on the top, there's an option for upgrade. If you have missed out on any upgrade, you can check out all the upgrades right from here. If you want to start using the software, I would recommend you start using the training area first. Go through all the trainings that we have provided, and then all the bonuses that we promised will be right here in the bonus section. Okay, so let's dive into the menu. If you see on the left, you have two important options like creating the campaign and viewing the campaign. So if you want to create a campaign that is like a fresh quiz video, you go ahead with the create campaign option. Or you want to view your existing campaigns, you can go inside the view campaign and you can check out everything. And on top of everything, if you are interested in having the reseller license for TubeQuiz AI, you can directly click here and it will take you to the sales page of reseller, where you can get access for the reseller license, where you can sell the software to up to 250 people and keep all the profits. So that's for the reseller. So guys, I'll give you a quick walkthrough how exactly the software works. So just bear with me and just follow the simple steps, and it's really easy to use. So there are like around 9 categories that we have already added here. So if you are in a hurry and you just want to create any video on any of these category, you simply select that category and then you proceed accordingly. So let's say I want to go ahead with the geography category, then I simply keep the geographic category. If I want to create a video in any other particular category, I go to the custom option and then I type that particular topic that was in my mind for quiz videos. So for example, I want to create quiz video on animal kingdom or animals. Then I simply enter that keyword, and let's say I want to name this campaign animals 1, and then I can select the number of questions. So let's say I want 3 questions and in each video, and then number of templates. So basically the number of templates that I'll select will give me a set of questions. So let's say I want 2 set of questions so that I can pick from one of them. So as of now, just for demo purpose, I'm keeping it 2. Then select the question type. You want a multiple choice question or a this or that type of question. So let's say I want an MCQ question. I'll keep option ABC, and then I select the difficulty level. So let's say I want to go ahead with the easy or medium. Let's say I want to go ahead with the easy mode, and then I can select the language in which I want the quiz to be created. So for the demo purpose, as of now we have added some languages here, and for the demo purpose I would recommend to I will use English, and then we can proceed further. Okay, so if I want the custom category, I name it here, and if I want to pick any of the categories, I can directly select that category from here. So as of now, I'll just hit the generate button, and it is going to give me 3 set of questions, and each question will have 3 questions, and there'll be like 2 templates. So if I check out the first template, these are the options here: option 1, option 2, option 3, and you see it came with 3 options, and here's the correct answer. And if you go with the template 2, you can check out the 3 other questions. So whichever template you want to go ahead, you can select that. So for example, I want to go ahead with let's say template 1, and then I hit the next. If you don't like the question, you hit the regenerate and you go back and you select the category, and you can pick the category, and then you can start generating the questions. Okay, so as of now, I hit the next button with the template 1, and it will take me to the next page where I get to select which kind of videos I want to create. So for example, I want to create desktop type videos that you can upload on YouTube, or you want the mobile version videos, the vertical videos, which you would like to add to your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. So you select that template from here. So let's say I want to go ahead with this template, or if you want to create the desktop video, you select the desktop template, let's say. So before I select the template, I can simply double click on it, and it will give me a small preview of that particular video. So I'll play the button here, and it will show me the kind of video that will appear. So this is the kind of template that is going to appear. And if I want to check out the other templates, I can simply hit the next button, and it will give me the next template video. Then I can play it, and then I can decide whether I want to go ahead with this one or the next one. See, there are multiple templates that are being added. I can pick template as per my requirements, And similarly, I can check out the templates in mobile version. I switch it to mobile version, I double click on it, and then I can play, and it'll give me the kind of template that is going to be created. So see, this is the kind of template that is coming. If I want to change the template, I can check. So let's say I want to go ahead with this template. So what I'll do, I'll simply select this template. It says it's selected. It is showing that blue color selection. And once this is done, I simply have to hit next, and it'll take the whole thing in the video editor. So once the video editor loads, then we can proceed accordingly. So you see the video editor is already loaded with the set of questions that we have selected in step 1. And you see our questions are already here. If I play this, I'll get to see the question along with the all the options. So all we have to do here is, now as per our requirements, we can do all the changes that we want. So let's say I want to change the color, font, or I want to change the text. I can do that with selecting appropriate option. So let's say I want to change the font. I simply select the font, that particular text, and then I go inside the text editor option, and then I can select the font that I want. So let's say I want Poppins, and it's turned into Poppins. And let's say I want to increase the font size, I want to change the color, font weight, then I can make all those changes that I want. So let's say I want it to be more bold, and I want the color to be red. Once I made all those changes, I hit the apply button, and you see the color has changed. Let's say I want to keep it yellow, so it'll look very good here. Okay, so see, similarly you can make all the changes that you want to make in all the text here, and as per your requirements you can keep making all the changes. So, and you can even adjust the text as per your requirements. So who is the king of jungle? We all know that's lion. So yeah, so what we can do here is we can even add an image. So if you already have an image, you can upload it directly from here. If you don't have an image, you can generate an AI image by typing whatever keyword you have. So let's say you want to generate an image of lion, you select lion, and then the image resolution and what kind of image you want. Okay, so based on like whatever category, whatever kind of image you want, you can select that, and then you can simply hit select the mode of the image, and then quality of the image, and then you hit generate with AI. Then it's going to generate that image. So it will give you a preview, and if you like that image, you can add that image inside the video editor inside our presentation for the quizzes. And accordingly you can add those images right here in the editor, and see we have the image generated here. What I can do, I can simply pick it here and place it here wherever I want. Like as per my requirements, I can make any changes that I want, and see, I can play around with this thing as per my requirements. And yeah, so it's totally controllable, and it has all the options that you want to go ahead with. And not just image and text, you also have options to add the voiceover. So let's say this was our first question, it's already being loaded inside the text to speech, so you don't have to type anything. You select that text, and then you select the voice. So let's say you want this particular voice in the female version voice, then you select that, and then you hit generate speech with AI, and you just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you generate that voiceover. And yeah, and then you can preview it directly from here.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Options are elephant, lion, tiger.
Okay, so if you like the that voiceover, what you have to do is you can simply hit the add button, and then you can add that audio here. And similarly you can generate the voiceover for the other questions as well. So let's say you want to go ahead with the second question, which will appear after a while. So since we have already added the first question, I'll just give you a quick preview here. So let's say I play this and preview it.
Animal is known as the king of the jungle. Options are elephant, lion, tiger.
And then after a few seconds, the correct answer appears. Maybe you can set the timing of that particular image according to the question 1 answer. So this is basically question 1 answer, and you can select any element you want directly from here. If you want to remove anything, you can do that from here. And let's say I want to go ahead with this one. It is already being selected, and we can set the timings of this image right synced with the answer of this question. So let's say it is coming here. Okay, it's a really simple to drag and drop feature. I simply adjust the timing, and similarly I can just adjust the timing before the second question appears. So our image will appear right when the question is being answered inside the video. Okay, so we go back here and we can preview it again. Before I preview it, yeah, I hit the preview button and let's see.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Options are elephant, lion, tiger.
And see, now the option for the lion has appeared. If you want to make any changes to your voiceover, you can directly make those changes directly here. And let's say I wanted to say the correct answer is lion. Okay, and I want to add this audio, and then I hit the generate speech with AI option, and now it's going to give me the new audio, which is like a little bit longer. And then I come back here, and first thing is I delete this audio because it's not needed, so I can delete it right from here. 1 second, yeah, you select it here and then you can remove it from here. See, this is the audio that we have created in the first go. I removed it. Now all I have to do is I can add my voiceover for the first question right here, and this is a new voice. I can just play it before applying it to the video.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Options are elephant, lion, tiger. The correct answer is lion.
Okay, so we have adjusted the text, we have adjusted the voiceover. All we have to do is add it here and it will start appearing as per our requirements. And now we can adjust the timings as per our requirements, and now we preview it again. I'm just giving you an idea how exactly you can edit the video.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Options are elephant, lion, tiger. The correct answer is lion.
See, it's a really simple to use tool. You don't have to do any hard work, and similarly the other questions will appear for which you can make all the changes that you want. And we also have other options like adding a new text if you want to have any particular text to be added. Let's say Animal Kingdom quiz, something like that, or I want to add my branding name, then, or like whatever topic you have, learn about jungle or something like that. So I can make all those changes, and then I can adjust all these changes as per my requirements, and whatever requirements I have as per my whatever comes to my mind, I can do all those things, and I can keep adding the text, I can keep adding the images. And then similarly we can check out the other questions. Here is the second question, and then I can make any changes I want to that particular question, and I can adjust everything as per my requirement. And then we can check out the answer. And similarly the next question, you can check it from here, click where exactly is the next question, and then we play it and it will start appearing. So everything is loaded, and we can add the next voiceover, we can add the next content, and then we can keep adding. See, the third question is appearing here, which is the largest mammal in the world, and we all know that's blue whale, right? So we can do all kind of adjustments, we can do any kind of changes we want. We can add images, we can add background music. You want to add background music, you can pick the preset volume from here, and let's say I want to keep it very low, and then I know my video is like more than 39 seconds, and I'll add some of these audios. I can preview it from here. I really like this, and let's say I want to add this. I can add it directly here, and then I can adjust the timings as per my requirements. And on top of everything, I can also adjust, I can also select that particular audio, and I can change the volume of that audio. So it's a really simple to use tool. Once all the changes are done, all you have to do is you go here and click on the finish option, and then okay, sorry, I forgot to mention one thing. There is also an option for animation. So let's say you want to animate this text, you can add all these animation like fade in, fade out, slide in, slide out. So you can make all those changes, and you can adjust the timing and everything. So as of now, I'm just removing it. You can play around with the tool as per your requirements, but as of now, like, I'm keeping this really simple. But you can explore everything one by one, and not just images. You can also upload a video. If you already have a video in mind, you just simply upload that, and then you can drag and drop it here, and you can make all the changes you want. Now coming back to the submitting the video for rendering, you have to come back here on the finish option. Do not click on the submit. First you have to do is submit it for the export for the rendering. So you hit the submit button here and let the video render and preview, and it will give you a complete preview before you submit the video for final rendering. So you submit it here, and you see you'll receive notification when rendering is complete. Let the video replay during the rendering process, so you get to see how exactly the video is created, and you hit the begin option, and then the rendering will start.
Animal is known as the king of the jungle. Options are elephant, lion, tiger. The correct answer is lion.
See, the video is created for that particular voiceover for the first question that I have added, and similarly it will be created for all the remaining questions that we have to add and edit. And once this is done, you just have to wait for the rendering to finish, and once your video is completely played in front of you, all you have to do is hit the submit button and move to the step 3. So that's the final step where you get to export your video, download your video, and start sharing on it on your YouTube channel, TikTok, or anywhere you want. See, this pop-up has come like video has been exported, proceed to step 3. So after checking everything, if you still want to make any changes, you can still make any changes to it before submitting it for the rendering. So you just check it once again if you want, like you can play it once again, and you see if everything is as per your requirements. You want to make any but you feel you want to make any changes, you can still do those changes before finally submitting the video. But make sure you are submitting it to export and then hitting the submit. So once your video is rendered, then you hit the submit button, and it will take you to the final step where you get to download the video. It's a really simple process. You didn't require, see, your video has been exported. You get that pop-up, and then it will take you to the next page where you can see your video. You can play your video.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Options are elephant, lion, tiger.
See, so our video is already created. If you want to preview it, we can again preview it in full screen, and if you want to download it, we can download it from right here. So I want to download it, I hit the download, and the video will get downloaded in my computer. And similarly, you can create a new quiz, and I forgot to mention one thing. You can even create multiple videos. So let's say you want to create video in any different category, then you can let's say you want to go ahead with geography, I'll say G2, and then you want multiple videos, you go ahead with the multiple video option, and it will help you create videos in like all the different questions will appear in different videos, so it will help you create multiple videos as well. So I think I've covered everything that is required to start using the application, but if you still have any questions, you can reach out to our support, and we'll be happy to help you out. And thanks for watching this video. We look forward to having you start your business with TubeQuizAI. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.